Good morning. It is, what day is it? Wednesday morning. I am just making myself a pumpkin spice latte here at home with some almond milk and some pumpkin spice flavored coffee, which I'm sure is not that clean, but I'm enjoying it. So I'm vetoing the toxicity and the mold that may be in it. And we are getting ready. My sister has a medical appointment in London, and then we are running some errands. We're dropping off and exchanging some things, and then heading to Toronto, where I'm going to be driving her scary big truck back here to the farm, which if you are watching this, that means I survived and it was okay. She is flying to Africa for a few days, and then next week I will go pick her up, and then I get to stay in Toronto and go to the home show. I'm so excited to do that for a few days. I'm gonna stay with my friend, and this exciting things are happening over here. So I'm just gonna get my latte ready, and then we are heading out the door. So back to that big scary truck comment. My sister has like a big cap on the back of her truck. I have driven pickup trucks before. I have grown up in the country, if people don't know this about me. So I can drive a pickup truck. It's not that. It's just the blind spots in the city during rush hour kind of scares me. But anyways, I will survive and I can do this. And I'm just gonna keep enjoying this. Good morning. It is now the next morning. I woke up bright and early, and I love watching the sunrises here while going for my morning walk. Yesterday was a very productive day. I got so much done, and I do really find now that like making a list and then picking what I'm gonna do that day, and then having like a buffer list if there's free time, so productive. I know this is not earth-shattering, and a lot of people probably already do this, but yeah, I used to like block out my schedule, and I didn't find that worked for me, but I think like making these lists really do work. And I have so many papers with all of my thought processes on them, and I'm just excited to keep going through them. And I'm excited to enjoy this beautiful sunrise walk. Now, the farmer was out in the field the other day, and he said that he was going to be harvesting these beans soon. So I'm sure in one of these videos, the scenery. Oh my goodness, look at these flowers. The camera doesn't really capture it, but they are stunning. Oh, and there's How. Finally catching up. So today is Friday, so it is my cleaning day and wash the dog day. And then I am going to do some work on my assignment and some more editing of my book. And then we'll just see how much time I have left in the rest of the day to do some of the things that I love. I also have started experimenting with my schedule. I know I love filling my mornings with my morning routines, but I was finding that also my mornings I am the most productive. I am definitely a morning person. So, and I know I will always like do my Pilates and do all the things that I love because they feel so good. So I've tried to flip my day around where in my morning I'll go for my walk and then I'll start work right away and then do my workout later in the day. So I will keep you posted how I feel about that after a few more days. But you know what? This could be another little hack. Oh my goodness. This morning, I tried to take a video of the moon, but my camera just couldn't capture its beauty. Anyways, I'm gonna continue my walk and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Howard's looking for the deer. Last night when we were walking, there was a giant deer just sitting right here in the woods staring at us, and Howard got all excited and started chasing it. And he came out with so many grass stains all over him and so many battle wounds, but so happy and so excited. Weren't you, How? But there's no deer today. And the harvest has begun. My goodness, those clouds look fake.